What's up, y'all? So today, let's talk a little bit about stuffing. Whether it's store-bought, your friends made it, your family made it, or maybe even you've made it, it's usually a little bit dry, right? So today, we're going to change that by making the best stuffing. I make it every year, it's my favorite dish, and every time I make it, it's definitely a hit. Enough talking, let's get started. And now, my favorite part, the eating. Let's give it a try. Ooh, you can already hear it. Not dry at all. Here we go. It's packed with flavor. There's so many textures. It's got the fresh and crunchiness of the celery, the sweetness of the onion and the croissants, the savory of the sausage. It is absolutely delicious. It's my favorite, and I hope it becomes your favorite too. If you like this recipe, the link is in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.